It's all you're gonna give me, 'cause I've given all I can. Maybe your heart's got a reckless hand. Tell me that you're trying, but you just can't understand why I try so hard to be who I am. They teach me to accept and you teach me to deceive. Teach me to be someone I just can't be. Yes, you told me that you're trying, but I can't understand why you can't just take my hand and step into my world, breathe into my air. All of the sounds I know one hears, screams from deep within that I can't take another minute. Step into my world, look out through my eyes, see all of the pain that I feel inside. And it's so hard to face it, just grit your teeth and try and replace it with the good times that you know you'll never have.